everybody, my name is Payal Kaur and I am a student of Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University. I am currently pursuing my BTECH in Cloud Technology and Information Security. I am a final year student and I am here to present my final year project. So the project name is Courier Tracking System, and I have used the technologies that is PHP as a backend language and HTML, CSS, jQuery and Bootstrap as front-end language. I have also deployed an online chatbot system that is made on communication and Lex services of AWS. I have also deployed my website on Amazon Web Services, and I have took my domain name from Freenome. The project I have chosen it because it will avoid the manual way of tracking the parcels, that is through on papers or on the Excel sheets, and I have also deployed the online chatbot system. This will bring a user-friendly environment for the users to solve any of their queries. So the big courier companies like DHL and DART are also not using the feature of online chatbot system. And so let's just begin the implementation of my project. So this is my website, and the name and the domain is that hello.payaleduipu.gq. Now let us go on the admin login. So first we'll register. So first my full name, that is Payal, and then email I am adding, and next I'll be adding password, that is 1234, and then we have the phone number that I have added, and now we'll just click on register. Yeah, it has been successfully registered. Now I'll just log in. So this is Payal as the username and password as 1234, and I have been logged in successfully, and I'll click on OK. So this is basically the page where the parcels have been ordered, and I have added earlier 2 parcels, and this is how the AWB number and invoice number and all the parcel details, and I can also from here I can show the status like pending, delivered, and this is the entire customer information, and from here we can change the status as well. So this entire page is all about the admin. So let me show you by adding a new parcel. So I'll be adding some details, and this is the AWB number and invoice number that is auto generated. I have used some random variable function in PHP through which this is being generated, and now I'm adding the name, the sender name, that is Gagan, I have kept, and all the details I am filling it up. This is the email of the sender, and we'll be just filling these details, and again this entire thing will be shown directly on the orders page. The receiver number I'm adding, receiver email, this is the receiver's address that I've kept keeping as Chandigarh. Next thing will be just doing like what kind of thing that you want to give. Like I'm choosing parcel, and through which payment you can do, GPay, like Google Pay, how the receiver wants to give. And this is the description that what we are being sending in the courier. Then weight, the number of items that I've been transferring, I'll be keeping 1, and then here the date of pickup date from where the sender will be picked up, and the time also have to be recorded. And this country have to be added. And this is how this is auto generated, that this is delivered to this by this person, has to be delivered this parcel, and I'm adding it. Okay, I've just forgotten to write the amount that has to be added or given by the receiver. So let me add, like here I'm adding 34,000. So now I am adding the parcel, and yes, successfully it has been added. So we'll be going to the orders, and yes, finally it has been added. We can see that the AWB number is showing, and Gagan, from and to is also shown, and this is the entire thing that has been shown. Now let me change the status. Like I want to keep it as from pending. I will be keeping it as in transit, and okay. So we can just see that on the next page also it shows like from in transit only, like while we are tracking. And this is the staff information, like which we had added during registration. So this is the staff page. And the next thing is draft. Like if something has to be drafted, like any courier, so we can just draft here, and these are the things I've added. Now let me log out. So yeah, now let's just move to the home page. So this is connect with us. Now like here I have added my own LinkedIn profile. So anybody who comes up can also visit that who has made this website. So I have just added this as an extra element. I'm just opening my profile. It's taking a little time. Yeah, it just got opened. So yes, now let's get back, and now we'll just go on the track page, and we'll just click it, and this is how I've created the track page. Now I have to just write the AWB number in it. So let me just fetch my AWB number from the admin side, because any kind of OTP is not yet added, like a user will get an OTP. So I have to just take it from the main database, the AWB number, so that I can track it. So I'll just log in. I've just forgotten a little password. Yeah, we'll be adding it. Yeah, logged in successfully. And yeah, so I'm just copying this AWB number, and I'll be just tracking it back on this page. Copied and then track. So yeah, finally it's showing in transit. The receiver is the sender is Gagan, and all the details like Galaxy, Samsung A7 tab, which we had quantity 1, and everything is being showing. So this is how we can track the parcel. Next is the feedback page. Like I have also created, like if the user finds our website really useful, so he can give us a feedback, or if any of the issues he is finding, so he can give it. And I have also added a chatbot. It is taking a little time because it's a free tier on which I've hosted. So we'll just, yeah. And this is like starting a new conversation. Now I'll be typing hi, and the bot will give me a reply like, hi, welcome to e-courier service. How can I assist you today? So I am writing that I need a help regarding my parcel. So reply comes that, yeah, please, we'll help it. And then your name is being asked. And so the next is that a number is asked, phone number, and I'm typing my phone number. Next, my email would be asked. So now let me write my email. And next, basically the bot will reply that that we'll get back to you, because a live chat would be handled by the person who is working at the back end. So this is all about my project, and I want to thank my teacher for guiding me so much, and thank you again for listening to me.